Welcome to mktv.co.za. You are watching us live, kicking and streaming. How you all doing? We let the ball drop a little bit earlier today when one of our artists were MIA, the first casualty of the festival. But we've made it up. And as you can see, live on the MK Couching Sessions, the fantastic Gangs of Ballet. How are you guys?
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Oh, you're awful chirpy. Is that because last night was fantastic?
Gee, what a party, man. We had just the best time, yeah.
Yeah,
amazing.
I started out, you saw my tweet, I started out right in front of the stage. And by the time I actually took the photograph, I was about 25,000 people back. You guys were unbelievable. And you flipped a few fans last night. You guys are going home not alone, that's for sure.
That'd be really, really nice. I hope so. I mean, it's kind of like Oppie seems to be like this, amazing energy that just exists on itself. And so I hope it's kind of not Oppie. I hope we put a little bit of energy into it. But yeah, the crowd was just really like electric. So
can I ask, do you think you guys would be as popular as you are if you weren't pretty?
Have you seen us?
Listen, I was one of 7 dudes in the crowd, man. I was getting lucky because of you. It was awesome.
Well, I'm Ginger, so I have no idea what to say.
But you could use that as like a superpower. Because you're the odd one out now.
Gingers are really in at the moment.
They are in.
Yeah.
That's why I'm growing my beard.
Trending. Hashtag ginger.
Hashtag ginger beard.
For the win.
For the win. Because beards are doing well. Combos are doing well. Flannel's doing well. You guys are covering it all. Well done. And you guys are doing fantastic. But Dusty Boots are in. I'm rocking him. I could be in the band. I've got the comb over, a bad one. I'm in. And I've got an orange beard.
You actually got hair though.
Receding hairline's also cool, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, is that big in now? Receding hairlines? I'm going to talk to the anti-retrovirals. Have you seen that? I'm going to talk about that hair.
Yeah.
That guy's got magnificent hair. I thought I had great hair. Then I saw him. Now, talking about fashion, and you guys are on point as always because you're sponsored and you guys are really, really blessed. Now, there are some people who obviously aren't sponsored here. Like the guy I saw earlier with his testicle hanging out of his Speedo. Then there's the guy in the silver pants, and then there's a guy in all gold. And then there's the Power Rangers who were at your show as well. Did you see them?
Yeah, they're at our and Iron Man.
Oh, look, there's Iron Man and Oppie Copy Man.
Oppie Copy Man.
You can't see him, but they're
spectacular.
Turn around and wave that way. Just wave. There we go. Well done, you're on telly, immortalized. Now take your masks off so we can laugh at you. There. Oh, that was disappointing.
You're not as
Put
cool.
it back on. Tommy, did you guys catch Gangs of Ballet last night? And how magnificent were they? They want to hug you. I told you it was a good show.
That escalated pretty quickly.
This show is getting out of hand. As soon as the sun goes down, all bets are off. If you guys want to look like he's giving them the eyes. Do you guys have any questions you want to ask Gangs of Ballet? Now's your time.
What has stardom done to you? Why you?
Oh, that's deep. What has stardom done to you? That's deeper than what I had.
Jeez, well, we'll tell you when we know.
He thinks you're pretty big. Just accept it. Listen,
we appreciate it. We have such a jaw.
You're on the biggest show on the planet right now. My
Stephanie
show,
made us
obviously. Why are you laughing? That wasn't a joke. That wasn't.
We've made it.
You've made it onto MK Couching Sessions. Yes. And remember, it's not MK, it's MK.
Okay.
Man, you're welcome to say whatever you like. We're online.
So I thought this was MTV.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, that was someone banned who's... that was ridiculous. No, that's a terrible one. Oh, I've got a question. Oh, you've had your time, Iron Man. Go form a fourth one. Now, what are we having for dinner tonight? Because I'm trying to find out which artists are getting catered the best. I need somewhere to eat.
Cheese grillers all the way.
Cheeseburgers?
Cheese grillers.
Cheese grillers?
Yeah, like
Is that
long
it?
cheese grillers.
You can't go wrong.
Lord. But is that it? You guys live off that. Do you guys know that I'm gonna tell you a secret. What you guys are like famous. You can ask for anything, like anything.
Can I have your shirt? Can I have your shirt and your boots and your pants now?
Could I have 200 rand? Please.
I am more famous than you. Hence,
Oh,
sponsored.
Trumped.
Sponsored.
So you claim.
You guys have been in studio recently. Let's talk just for a moment seriously, because I've got someone in my ear telling me I've got to be serious for a second. And sober for the rest of the show, which is going to be really tough. Which is really tricky. Because it's hard to have this hair, this beard, and be funny all the time. I need liquor. It's kind of it's like my elixir. You know, like Obelix who fell in that cauldron of stuff. I was born around a liquor table. Story for another one. What is happening with the album, and where are you guys going to from here? Someone with a microphone.
Okay, well we've just finished. Well, we haven't just finished recording. Probably about a month ago we finished recording. But we're starting to get mixes back and mastered tracks, and we're gonna put out a new album in the next 3 weeks.
That is
4
great
weeks.
news.
Should be in shops by September.
That is great news. Just to tell you, I have been in studio with these guys, and there are two things I need to mention. One, it sounds amazing. It sounds like nothing you've heard before. Secondly, they're awful friendly here, and they look like buddies. But these two in particular, in the middle, they've got a relationship we're talking about for a minute, because there's someone who's doing a drum roll or someone who's doing a vocal line and the other one doesn't like it, and there's squabbling. I've seen it. Don't act all naive and like, oh, we're best of buddies. It gets out of hand a little bit.
I gotta be honest. I mean, we don't get personal. Like, we don't start saying like, Josh, I hate that drum fill and you're fat. We don't go like that, you know. We're like,
Because you're not
you gotta kind of, if something's worth making, you gotta fight for it a little bit, you know. You gotta fight for some ground, you know. So I think all our fights turn out well, though. I mean,
Yeah, I mean we try not to be ugly,
Yeah.
but I think when you're in the studio and you just want to get your head down and do work, you know. So you want to get the best stuff on the record, and yeah, like he says, if you want something on, fight for it.
Absolutely. In a two-way tie?
Did they just shout penis?
If you guys wanted to do it, you could have just asked.
Good one.
Oh, now you're all camera shy. Just a second ago, you were all this. La, la, la. All right.
Are you guys shouting things that you don't have?
All right. I'm going to let you guys go and have a fantastic evening. Thank you so much for popping on and sticking around. And just keep doing what you're doing, because we're loving it, man.
Okay.
Obviously, they're loving it. They really, really are.
And we
Oh,
love
there you go.
Power Ranger girl.
What about me? Oh, she's superheroes are back in.
apparently,
We got Ginger Man.
gingerbread man,
The bearded man. The
Leonidas.
cloth man. He's just quiet. Listen, this is enough. Stick around. I'm done with these fools because they're getting out of hand. And I've seen them when they're backstage partying, because they are really rock stars. Catch their record. It's September. And it sounds magnificent. I've had an inside peek. Stay where you are. Up next in just a minute, we've got the Anti-Retro Vinyls. And they are fantastic. Stick around. We'll be in a minute. Thank you, guys. Hi, I'm Kay Oliver, and you're watching MKTV. You've obviously made some pretty decent decisions so far in your life, like clicking on these videos in the first place. And remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at MKTV_, and like the video. You do already. You kind of love it. If there was a button for love, you'd be pushing it multiple times. So all of these links along the side here, they're all interactive. And if you didn't know that yet, you probably don't spend enough time on the internet. Too much time working. Subscribe to our channel. Check out our websites. And click here. Here, roughly here. For more. We'll see you at the bar.